How to use Canva AI Video Generator, text to video. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll help you showing you guys how you can convert text into videos using Canva. Now, we all know Canva as a super popular design tool which can help us in creating really pretty posts and graphics, but Canva is so much more than that. It actually has the capabilities of generating images and even videos with the help of AI. So let's get started. To get started, simply head on over into Canva and then open up the size that you want for your canvas. I'm just going to go with a simple Instagram post canvas, and we're going to get started with designing. So on the top, I'm just going to name this AI video. And after that, you're going to click on apps on the bottom left. Once you click on apps, you're just going to search for Magic Media. And once you search for Magic Media, you will see Magic Media over here. Once you do that, you will see images, so you can generate images. Then you have graphics, and now you even have beta. So this is experimental, new technology. Scenes with peoples or animals may not look quite right. A static shot of a time lapse with a beautiful cityscape from day into night. I think this video would be great, and I'm just going to click on generate video. Now with Canva Pro, you get 50 credits to generate videos. However, on the free version of Canva, you might get fewer credits, and your credits are not going to be refreshed every month if you do not have Canva Pro. I do think you get around 5 to 10 credits, and I do think like 5 of those are refreshed on the free version of Canva, but I'm not sure about that, so don't take my word on that. But you still are able to try out Magic Media, and you're still able to try out even the functions where you can generate videos and graphics and images. So you can still do it. It just you're not going to be able to generate as many videos and images as you would on Canva Pro. So let's move on ahead and just take a look into the video that has been created for us. So I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds, and after that, our video has been generated. So this is our cityscape that has been created, and this is what the cityscape looks like. It has minimal movement. You guys can see the clouds are moving. So I think it's a bit too dull to actually show you guys, the full capability. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make a ocean or a beach with water flowing on sand and breaking away, or I'm going to say a beach with water flowing on sand and tearing down a sand castle. And now I'm going to click on generate again, and now we're going to wait for our new image to be generated. Now, usually your videos are going to be ready with 1 or 2 minutes, and sometimes video generation can take longer. Image generation is far more quicker, but again, depending on how detailed your prompt is, how many items you have within your prompt, that is going to majorly impact how long it's going to take for your video to be generated. So do keep that in mind whenever you are generating videos. Now, moving forward, let's just wait. And not only do you have the Magic Media tool on Canva, you do have several other tools which can help you in generating videos, whether it's these types of videos or other types of videos. Canva has several different video options as well, so you do have quite a variety of things that can be created. So we're just gonna wait, and this is the video. So our sand castle and then waves, and you guys can see it's not integrating the two elements together because Canva videos are pretty short. They are only 4 seconds, so you can ask it to generate those in scenes as well. Now, Canva has some other tools that can do pretty similar things. So if you go into Canva's app sections and click on AI powered, you can actually see all of the different AI powered tools. And you can even create a talking AI avatar that can help you in elevating your videos. Just click on open, and you have AI avatars that you can create that can speak for you, which is another form of video. And you can choose your own AI avatar. You can bring your photos to life or just choose one of their pre-built ones. Then you can type in your text. So I'm just going to nice to meet you, I'm your presenter today. You can choose a voice and you can listen to your script. And then just like that, you're able to build some really nice videos and some really amazing content. Not only that, but if you search for video AI or text to video, you can even search for that over here. You will see several other tools on Canva that can help you in creating videos. So starting off, if you click on over here, you have Deep Reel AI videos as well as AI Video Generator. And if you click on that and click on open, you can generate your own videos simply by going into this one as well. Now, in this, you even have the option to choose the style you want. You can add a reference image or video and a cinematic shot, extremely up close, dolly shot on a Japanese style girl with dreads standing on a pink desert. And I'm just going to click generate, and then I am able to generate that. For these other applications, your credit system is going to be different. All of these applications are third-party applications which you're going to be using, so you would have to create separate accounts for those as well. But if you're using Magic Media and you want some basic ideas when you're getting started with creating something, so you can go into Magic Media, go into images, and you can actually generate images instead of generating videos initially, because what that allows you to do is that you're able to get a basic breakdown of what you're trying to create on Canva, how it's going to look. And once you do that, you can take that inspiration, and depending on the type of result that is generated off of that prompt, you can then use it in a video if you like it. That saves you a lot of credits as well. And if you want to add movement into these AI generated images, you can actually use some Canva tools for that as well, because Canva actually has several different tools that can help you in bringing AI images into life. So for that, you can use apps like Voxel Art to generate 3D images, as well as the AI face manipulator and the sketch to image tool. So what it does is that it makes any of your AI generated images look like they were sketched out, and you can just explore these apps under the AI section of Canva. So it's pretty easy. Not only that, but you have AI motion where you are able to tell a story with AI. You're able to include movement using AI as well. Now, in terms of the AI tools that I recommend, this one is pretty nice, which allows you to generate and focus attention on something. Voxel Lab, Dreamface, Image Animate, and Speed Paint have to be some of my top favorite AI tools on Canva. Speed Painter especially, because it makes it look like your image was being sketched out, and it can be super helpful in creating an effect for a whiteboard animation. Then you have Image Animate, which can help you in animating any image. So if you generate your image with Magic Media, you can then animate and convert that into a video. You can just describe what you would like to, make a video in that particular video frame, and the red house on the shore of a body of water. And then after that, you can sign in to generate. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.